Hi, this is Rahul
And this is Himanshu.
from Indian Ocean, and we're so happy to be at Artistry,
Yes.
Goa,
And we performed in Artistry in Hyderabad.
twice.
And I'm not a late night person, but I'm really sacrificing Sunday night sleep for this. Very excited! I got Indian Ocean! My favorite song is Bande.